Yeah, good day to you, everyone. Charlie, I still on with the guy Timothy. So today I want to show you how you can gain at least 1,000 impression with this code and tricks. So in Admob, you need to be wise. You need to be wise. You need to have at least your impression must be much like 1,000 impression per click. So now some people like they will feel like it's not easy to gain the impression, so their clicking is more than their impression. So now let me show you how to have the impression automatically and how it work. Once let me show you before you go for your clicking, not to get banned. You come to your phone setting here, you make sure you deleted every sorry, not deleted, you clear the app data and cache of anything linked to Google on your phone. So make sure you do this stuff, make sure you do it, it's very compulsory. Make sure you follow this stuff. Make sure you clear anything linked to Google. Me now, I don't even use Google anymore for now, but whenever I want to do some other thing I use it. So cause my own app is on Play Store, so I don't think I don't do self-clicking much. I don't even used to do self-clicking. So if you want for a good app, make sure you come to my DM. I can't clear because I have some data on it now. So you click on this manage space, then it will show you to clear the data. So once you click here, you are safe, and you clear the cache also. So you go back, you located everything like this keyboard. You make sure you delete, you clear app data and cache. This email you can also clear it cache. Don't clear it data because you lose everything. But if you don't mind, you can clear it data. So this one also go clear it data and cache. This main one is the boss, is the organ. Make sure you do it even though you can't do the rest. Make sure you go for this every time you want to click. So it's every time. It's not that maybe you after you click on once in a while. No, every time you know you want to click. Because in this Admob, you need to be wise and you need to deal with it seriously. For you guys who use self-clicking, so self-clicking can still work for you if you are still dealing with those tricks here. So now once you do that, you change your IP address. I know you guys know that you change your iPhone IP address every time. So it's not allowed to use one IP address on one location for at least 5 minutes. So I don't know, maybe you're minimizing your phone when you are clicking. Once you are on clicking, you minimize your phone, you change. So you change, you continue, you change, you continue. So I think you can do that because that's so how it works. But for me, I don't remember that again because it's back last, like for that time. That's when I do self clicking. So if I should do self click now, that means my own is on Play Store. So for those guys that used to sell apps for you guys, that they give you their dashboard, I think like they also self click. So they self click really, but the issue there is that their own is on Play Store. Even though they show add limit, Google will still remove it from them from their account. So they still continue their details. So now this is the code we are using for the presentation for you to gain more impression. So as you can see the code here, the way I was pasting the code, is auto impression once I click the play. So this is the code. Some of you might have the code but don't know how to use it or the way to work. So in Admob, you must need at least to either use two apps, one for impression and one for clicking. You can't use the one for clicking and also the one for impression. No, it's not allowed. So you can use two. So now this is the code. So the code here now is working for impression. So the more I paste, the more impression. Once I click the play, and it shows. So that means impression, each one it shows is one impression. So if at least I want to get 50 impression now, I'll paste up to 50. So can you see, if I should if I should click the play, that means I will have 50 impression within 1 second which I click the play. And if I should have 1,000, so this is also the trick. If you are still having the code and don't know how to gain impression, more further about it, once you click the play now and the ads are showing. So actually as we don't show, the network is not good here. So the way the ads are showing now, and you want to gain more impression about this stuff, this is how to use it. You click back. Actually I'm not of VPN, so I'm not clicking. You click back here. So the one that first show is already record as impression for the account. So you now click play again. So once you click the play again, that means you are still dealing with another impression. So you can continue times, like once you click, maybe you paste 10, you can click play and back it, and click play again and back it. So once you are done with that, make sure you clear the app data for the one you are using. Make sure you clear the app data. It's very necessary. Come to storage. It's very necessary. So you need to be wise. You clear the cache also. So make sure you are doing this thing. It's not that maybe you need to do it once in a while. So make sure you do it steady. So now you can now come to your any app. You can use that one to gain impression. So you now come to your any app itself. Come to your any apps. So once you are dealing with your any apps now, you wait also. So you wait also on your any apps. That's how it works. The apps will show ads. So whenever you show ads, now you are done with your impression there. So the one is for you to go for the one is for you now is to go for clicking. So now you want to click. So any ads that show now, you can able to click once your impression, but make sure your impression is up to 1,000 there. So you can do this thing when 1 hour is allowed, so that you won't get tracked. For you guys who are doing self clicking, so the ads are going to show. So can you see the ads are show? So now I can click the ads and go further about the stuff. So that's just it. Make sure you do the stuff. And if you need the code, just DM me on my WhatsApp. I always be on this. So you guys that are messaging me, you make me feel like proud and funny. You tell me that I'm a boot. Like before you reply, before you type, I reply. So actually, it's not my. It's just the way I was being updated. Before you message, actually I used to reply in time. So I don't think you have any issues about Admob from my side. And I'm only having a group, so you can join the group also. So that's just it. So if you can have the app, you can also have the code. So just message me. So make sure you follow the step. You must have the code to gain pressure. Then you come back to your app to load. So that's just the way to use to save yourself clicking and earn money through Admob. So Admob is still working. Just make sure you follow those stuff. So anytime you click, make sure you clear your app data and change the IP address. Make sure you change the IP address. Let me show you the console account on my phone now. Let me show you those console accounts. So let me console accounts for you now. So those guys, they are having their apps on Play Store and they still self clicking. So they show you that like this is what they self click today. So now actually the self click actually, but their own, even though they put ad limit, they will still resolve it for them. Google will still remove the ads. So don't be convinced. You can also message me for standard app. I'll create the app for you. So as you can see, this is my account here. This is Timmy Lord. So you can find the app on Play Store. Can you see? These are the email of me which I'm having, and some other developers. These are my emails. So anyone, I switch to I can show you the best developer, the best app I bought. You're not doing that. If you need that, you come to my DM on WhatsApp. I'll show you my best application where the email I use. So this is it. The email. This is where it's located. So you can message me for standard app. I will show you